Okay, so here's my meal. It's hot. Okay. This is very healthy and low calorie count if you're pregnant. Mm. Or even just trying to eat healthy.
Amen.
You don't have to wear your gloves, Guru. Even they know that. They're not stupid. You know what I mean?
Meantime, Anand has been making his debut. And we are ready to hopefully.
What difficult is it? Okay, guys, so today's Tuesday, and Aman is at home today. And this is my meal, as you can see. It's a proper meal. I only took 3 idlis because I have dahi and also like a salad platter. I want to make sure that we are keeping a balanced diet for the baby, right? It's so good. If it was a little spicy, it would be better, but I cannot have spicy, so that's fine.
नॉय करना है उसको छोटी छोटी चीज़ों की
It's hard to know.
मैंने आपके सामने उतनी सारी कुछ
Hi everyone, as you can see, today is a bad, like today is really bad, horrible. I actually vomited and vomited and all. So I wanted to make something else for lunch, but my husband came to rescue, and my doctor recommended to eat khichdi and dahi, and that's what I'm eating. These kind of things happen when you're pregnant, so you have to be prepared for like literally everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna eat, and I'm feeling like crap. So let's do this. It's good.
इसको देख के तो लगती है।
बना तो मैं ही दूंगी। Looks so good. I want to try already. I'm so desperate to try it. Just a second. Okay, hi everyone. Remember yesterday I was like literally feeling dead. Today I'm feeling so much better, and today the food is also better. So I'm so excited. I'm eating, it's a very, very like balanced diet. I'm having a Asian inspired mac. So easy to make. Mm. I'm having the side of an egg. These are like few last days of the pregnancy. I need to keep up with everything like the protein intake, and just the good fats and everything. And it was so good. Baby, come. Good, right? Today is one of those days that we were really busy, so we just ordered this takeout, and I haven't had rajma in a long time. You know, is this even rajma? I don't think this is rajma. I think this is chole. Did I just take the wrong order? So in the other packet there was the rajma. So this is the rajma, and a little spicy to my liking, but it's okay. Once in a blue moon. नहीं और कर रहा है ठीक हो जाएगा बस
Isn't that stone good?
yeah.
Dairy कौन सी?
डालो तारा डालना है इसमें है कितना
Freezer में होगा।
नहीं नहीं इसी में होगा साइड में देखो बोलते हैं वो पूफ ऑफ पूफ So stop. It's driving me nuts.
इसमें चीनी
Okay, so I just wanted to quickly do a taste test because I'm so exhausted. We are so exhausted, and I can't even eat. पता नहीं कहाँ aim कर रही हूँ.
amazing जनाब.
Mm.
Muchos.
It's very good. I think I would like it more if the curry was a little more thicker, but I did not have patience, so now it's gonna be like this. But at least it tastes good, and that's what matters. And the pakoras are like, wow. I haven't had something fried in a while, so this makes me happy. Easier now. Right. It's okay. Here is the meal. I'm so excited to eat this. This is Jamie Oliver's recipe, and I have like literally this is Jamie Oliver's recipe. I have copy pasted. I'll put it in the link below. But I'm so excited to eat this. I'm trying to eat it in a civilized manner. Oh my god. It is like better than any restaurant. Maybe I want you to taste it. I want your reaction on camera. खाओ मुझे बताओ. Oh my god. खाओ मुझे बताओ.
You put it inside this?
No.
Or just taking bites like roti? Take it. Mine is hot, like really hot. मैं मुंह जला लूँगा गाइस अगर मैं अभी खाने लगा तो. But what? Who cares?
So good, right?